Hi, this is BillFeaver, and I wanted to give you a short video to talk about Lead Sleep, its pro versus its free options. When you have a free version, you get 3 ads, or credit ads, and with a pro, you get up to 10. Also, with the pro version, you get 10 video or 10 ads with no credits needed at all. And they have boosting from different sources. With a social review that you can make as a pro member and not as a free member, you get quicker rotation with your affiliate links in the rotator, and you also get boosts from the recommendations that you write and also from newsletter boosting. You get leads. There's ways you can get the number of levels of leads. You get a network that goes 10 levels deep, both free and pro. The best part of pro is that you get additional boosting from different levels quicker than you do from the free version. Also, you can track from the pro, but not from the free version. You can have lists, email lists. You can import from emails. You can send email series. You can send broadcasts, and you can send blog broadcasts and YouTube broadcasts from your pro version and not your free version. Also, from both versions, you can build pages so that you can send out capture pages and get people into your list from there. But again, there's more options, more capabilities with the pro versions versus the free. Also with hosting, you get some hosting capabilities with the pro versus the free. The way that you get earnings are with co-op earnings that you do, and free gets it, pro gets it. You can earn co-op income when you send third-party traffics to your co-op link. And also you can get bonus activity. The free gets it based on 5%, the pro on 10%, and they share the earnings for the day based off of their daily bonuses across the board with everybody. As far as being an affiliate with Lead Sleep, you get a 25% commission for all of your referrals with the free version, and you get a 50% recurring commission from the pro version. So it gives you 25% more if you're good at getting people to sign up to become affiliates with you, and so that you make a little bit more money. So it's worth the $27 a month cost. The last thing I wanted to share with you is to please share the video with others and to leave comments below, and I will get back to you on that. And if you want to learn more, then you can sign up to get started with Lead Sleep using and go to my links, which are williamfeaver.com/. I want to share that with you, and stay focused and persevere, and you will be able to realize your dreams. Goodbye, and see you on the next video.